continue like the process of the auto repair. Try not to. Right here. What I'm saying is like it's kind of hard like to screw it. As you see right here, you damage the other shingle or during you doing this, you're hitting the other shingle, which is damaging, and that's what I'm saying, like that this house cannot be repairable because you're just damaging the next shingle. So it's basically if you keep switching and changing another new shingle, you're damaging the next one. It's impossible to do a repair right here. That one's right now. This is the repair. It's not safe for the homeowner. As you see right here, this is damaging. Like when we hit, like when we put the nail on it, so we basically damage like the shingles, and then. As you see right here, so the shingle is in bad conditions, which is like not good installed like to do repair in this house. It has a ton of like damaging right here, as you see right here, here. So it's a damages that really we cannot describe. Yeah. This is one of the repairs that we are doing right now. As you see right here, shingle still like up because in the wind, and well, not much to say. So